Narcissistic abuse was something that I once had to face. I was molested, I was raped, I was mentally, physically, and emotionally abused. I was taken advantage of at a very young age. I was controlled. I'm talking about you name it, I went through it. And I suffered many things such as women issues. I suffered the pain of that intercourse with that person just simply because it was always rough. And it left me to a point of trauma, PTSD, fear, and anxiety. And I'm talking about this because there's a lot of you right now that is facing this same thing and you don't see a way out. You don't feel like it's a way out. You don't think that it's going to be a way out. You just feel like you're going to always be stuck with the fear, the anxiety, the PTSD, and you kind of just accepted it. I'm here to tell you not to accept that you can come out of this. The first thing that I did to come out of this narcissistic abuse was simply I had to be real with myself. First thing I did was I started educating myself. Then I went through inner healing and deliverance, which really I went through inner healing and deliverance first. Then I educated myself because I did not realize that I was in narcissistic abuse. Honestly, a lot of people, especially younger people that is going through the toxic relationship, don't realize that they're with the narcissist. They don't realize that they have been handpicked by these demons, okay, to destroy. And typically a person who is going through this, they have such a high calling on their life that the demons really want to destroy it so that they don't reach the full potential that God have called them to. When you're going through this, you may be lost, confused, don't know what to do, don't know where to start. And guess what? I have put together a narcissistic manual, okay? That's exactly what it's called, and it's called Thriving After Narcissism. If you have been a person that has went through so much of this, you will learn things such as do's and don't with the narcissist, how to date again, the different types of narcissists that you may encounter, the truth behind narcissism, okay? We will touch on these things so that you can be better equipped so that when you're dealing with this, you don't have to fight this thing alone. You have a manual that is going to take you by step to help you heal from this. In the back of the book, I also have prayers that is going to help you. Prayers such as prayers before going to court, prayers before you send your children, prayers on how to leave the relationship. Because what you don't know is that there's soul ties that is attached to you from this person, and you need those broken. Also, if you have children that are narcissists, parents that are narcissists, guess what? I also cover those topics in here as well. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into the description and you're going to find the link where you can buy this book at, okay? It's all the information, also what you will learn out of this book is also in the description. And guess what? It is your time, your season to heal today. The very first thing you need to do is get this book so that you can start your road to recovery. Be blessed.